In this video, you'll learn how to set up AMPL in Visual Studio Code using the Colab extension without installing Python. Let's begin. First, download and install Visual Studio Code. Next, open VS Code and install the required extensions. Start with the Colab extension. Then, install the AMPL VS Code official extension. Once that's done, open or create a notebook file in VS Code. Now, go to portal.ampl.com to access your licenses. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Next, go to the Colab tab and copy the provided code. Return to VS Code and paste this code into a cell in your notebook. Copy your AMPL license UUID from the portal and paste it into the notebook to enable all AMPL features. Then, select the appropriate kernel. Run the notebook cell. And that's it. You're ready to use AMPL in your VS Code notebook.